Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your phone or laptop supports USB-C audio. Many modern devices do. Once done, inspect the earphone plug and device port for dirt or bent pins. This prevents shorts and poor sound. Next, connect the earphones firmly until you feel a click. Make sure inline controls sit correctly. Set system volume to about 20–30% as a safe starting point, because sudden loud output can damage drivers or your ears. Now, play a test tone to confirm audio passes through. Now configure the software so the signal matches hardware. Choose the USB-C output in sound settings, since some systems default to speakers. Then, open the app you use for music and set an appropriate equalizer profile. This compensates for small driver frequency gaps. If your earphones support specific codecs, select the best available for lower latency and better fidelity. Also, confirm mic permissions for calls, and adjust left-right balance and noise suppression. These steps refine clarity. Finish by fitting the best ear tips for a proper seal. This improves bass and isolation and prevents slippage. Route the cable to avoid tension, clip to clothing if available, and coil loosely when storing to extend cable life. Test call controls and pause/play functions so you know immediate behavior during use. If something goes wrong, try a systematic check. Confirm sound on a second device, clean the USB-C contacts with a dry brush, and restart your source. Often a simple reconnection resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.